Hi all, this is Suvarna Vaidya. I am owner of Suva Skin Essentials. First, I would like to thank Sarthe team for giving us this opportunity to showcase our products in front of you. We have started our manufacturing unit of handmade soaps in Pune. Uh, the soaps which we made are sulfate and paraben free and are within pH levels. Now what we do, so we make handmade soaps, lotions, creams, lip balms, bath salts, scrubs, gels, hair oils, etc. And all the we have all the product range depend considering the skin type and fragrance choices for everyone, and we have kids range also. I would just like to mention here that the products which we make are all laboratory tested and the processes we follow are ISO certified. Now I'll just show you the daily soap range. These are some masculine soap fragrances, that is lemon, orange, cool blue. This is menthol soap. This is activated charcoal soap. Now these are some feminine varieties: gardenia, aloe vera, detan, lavender. We have some herbal soaps as well, like neem, tulsi, multani mitti. Now these are some perfume based fragrance soaps, that is cool water, spring morning, this is cucumber, kiwi, and these are our travel soaps which you can use during traveling. These are easy to carry. All these soaps are can be customized according to shape and size and fragrance choice of the customer. ये हमारे प्रीमियम रेंज सोप्स है जिसमें आपको अलग डिजाइन्स दिखेंगे विथ डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड डिफरेंट फ्रेग्रेंसेस. दिस इज चाफा, a soothing calming fragrance. This is spring morning. This is a perfume based fragrance जहाँ पे आपको एक परफ्यूम जैसा फील आता है. दिस इज प्योर मोगरा, लवेंडर, उटनो, अगेन लवेंडर. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो दो लवेंडर सोप्स है उसमें फ्रेग्रेंस सेम है, कलर सेम है, लेकिन डिजाइन्स अलग है. तो हम लोग आपको अगर चाहिए तो इसमें भी बना सकते हैं और लवेंडर इसमें भी बना सकते हैं. ये है शाही रोज, बर्बेरी ऑल्सो परफ्यूम बेस्ड फ्रेग्रेंस. शाही रोज भी बहुत सूदिंग है, फ्लोरल है. केसर चंदन, इसमें आपको प्योर केसर मिलता है और जो आपको स्किन के नेचुरल ग्लो के लिए अच्छा रहता है. हनी ओट्स में बिकॉज ऑफ द ओट्स यू गेट अ स्क्रबिंग इफेक्ट. हनी गिव्स यू अ मॉइस्चराइजिंग इफेक्ट. दिस इज अ मसाज बार basically, so it gives you a light massage also. Pure Chandan gives you a calming and soothing sandalwood fragrance with pure Chandan powder. This is again a Shahi Rose. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने सिंगल कलर में शाही रोज बनाया है और डबल कलर में भी बनाया है. तो अगर आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा हम लोग इसमें कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. फ्रेग्रेंस, कलर एंड design can be customized. Now these are kids section. Considering their delicate skin, we make all our kid soaps in goat milk base for extra moisturization. Different shapes such as popsicle, animals, butterflies, baby food, donuts. This is milk bottle and stroller, and there are many more. Like ice creams, cartoons, superheroes, some Santa Claus, name soaps also we make, and there are many more variations make bath fun for kids. We have wide range of fruity fragrances in kids section. Mango, green apple, strawberry, then watermelon, green apple, chocolate, vanilla, and many more. These are our soap bouquets which can be gifted as a corporate gifting or in any functions. These are soap flowers. This is rose bud. Here you can see a dahlia flower. हमारे यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस भी मिलेंगे. तरह तरह के बास्केट्स यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. दिस इज साइकिल, दिस इज vertical flower bouquet and this is horizontal one. So we have a wide range of bouquets also. यहाँ पे आप ये this can be used as a bath decor or home decor also. जो हैम्पर्स हमने बनाए हैं वो स्पेसिफिकली दिवाली के लिए बनाए हैं. Here you can see a pack of 2 soaps which has lavender and shahi rose. Here you can see pack of 3 soaps which has lavender, champa and shahi rose soaps. These are all designer ones. And here there are another two fragrances, mogra and musk. We have utna and abhyanga tel also for massage. We'll move on to our next product, that is bath salt. Bath salt is nothing but a mixture of different salts which helps in exfoliation of skin. This also removes food odor. We have refreshing fragrances in this category like lemongrass and lavender. Lemongrass gives you a refreshing effect and lavender will give you a calming and soothing effect. One of the main ingredients in the bath salt is Epsom salt, which is known to ease your pain and relieve inflammation to some extent. This is available in 50-gram container but can be customized in bulk as per requirements. Now these are lip balms. If you are suffering from chapped and dry lips, using a lip balm will ensure that your lips are well hydrated and they heal faster. These are made with pure butters, oils and beeswax. No preservatives are added in the lip balms. We have 4 flavors available in this. This is chocolate, bubble gum, strawberry and spearmint. Now this is aloe vera gel for your face. You will feel soothed and hydrated with this wonderful aloe vera gel with mild fragrance of aloe. As we know, aloe vera contains more water and thus leaves your skin hydrated without making it greasy. You can mix few drops of lemon juice with aloe vera, which can help in the reduction of acne and acne scars. This is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory in nature because of the presence of gibberellins and auxins. We have 3 sizes in aloe vera gel, that is 25 grams, 50 grams and 100 grams. Now this is our next product, that is face scrub. As the name suggests, it has a scrubbing effect. Scrubbing helps to get rid of dead cells from the skin surface. This can leave your complexion looking brighter and feeling smoother. We have 3 variants in scrub as per the skin type. This is Choco Scrub. The scrub is very popular among our existing customers, suitable for all skin type. It has a beautiful aroma of coffee which is very much refreshing. Now honey oats. This is also an excellent scrub which has natural ingredients like honey and oats along with oils and butters. This is specially suitable for sensitive skin or dry skin. Orange scrub. The fragrance of orange gives you that tangy feeling. It is best suitable for oily skin type. Now moving with the next product, that is body lotion. We make body lotions and creams which are enriched with exotic butters and oils such as shea, mango butter, almond oil, coconut oil and many more skin loving ingredients. We have 2 different fragrance varieties in our body lotion or cream, that is Lucius Berry and a Charming Rose. Lucius Berry is a sweet fruity fragrance which is very refreshing, and this is our best selling fragrance variety in lotion and cream. Charming Rose is a very soothing and calming fragrance This is also popular in clients who like floral fragrance more. All these lotions are available in 25 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml and 200 ml, and also creams available in 50 grams or 100 grams containers. These are lotion bars. This is our unique product. This is nothing but the lotion in solid form. This is specifically used for dry skin. I'll just show you how to apply. This is such a tiny lotion bar. You just have to rub them between your hands. The body heat will soften the bar and releases oil and butters. Rub them on your skin and you're done. These come with an amazing fragrance as rose and luscious berry. No preservative is added in the lotion bar. Fragrances available are luscious berry and charming rose, lovely lavender. This is a monthly pack of 30 lotion bars. Now moving to our next product, that is herbal hair oil. This has a blend of oils like castor, coconut and many more. This oil is infused with curry leaves, tulsi leaves, neem leaves, hibiscus leaves and flowers that are strengthening hair and prevents hair loss. This also contains various powders like amla, aloe vera, nagarmotha, etc., which make hair smooth and stronger. The hair oil is available in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. So this is our snapshot of all our products: soaps, bath salt, lotion, gel, lip balms, lotion bars, scrub, hair oil and soap bouquets. I hope you like all our products and looking forward to it. Thank you so much everyone for watching this session. Please like this video, share with your friends and family. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram as Suhas Skin Essentials. Once again, I would like to thank Surte team for arranging such a huge platform for us, and we really appreciate your efforts. Thank you.